Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Workshop Wednesday. My name is Emma Von Holten. I am a health and wellness coach, and I have a master's degree in psychological sciences. I'm very excited today for our Finding Stillness lesson. Our licensed mental health counselor started off this week, week 4 of our December Wellness Challenge, really highlighting the importance of finding stillness when it comes to these busy times of year. So towards the end of the year, we can start to see tons of information, stimulation about our goals for the year to come. And it's so important to really take a step back, sit in the silence, and understand where our body is coming from when it comes to goals and what our mind is also seeking. And then bridging the gap between these two to think of goals and values for the upcoming year that truly align with our core and what we want to accomplish. It's also so important during this time of year to reflect on those small wins, but actually big wins, of course, that you have taken throughout this entire year of 2025. You have so much to be proud of. You keep showing up for yourself. You keep pressing play on these videos, which means so much to me and also hopefully means a little bit to you on this transformation journey. Here at Empowering Wellness Counseling Solutions, we really want to be there for you on the journey. So of course, you can leave a comment. We are always here to answer questions or help you in any way that we can. So thank you for showing up for the Workshop Wednesday. Today we are finding inner stillness and moments of inner calm in a meditation. So we're just going to take a few minutes to check in with our own bodies and minds. You can start by gently finding a seated position, or if you'd like and are comfortable right now, you can lay down, whichever feels best for you. And we're just going to take a deep breath through the nose. And on the exhale, close the eyes or lower the gaze, whatever feels best for you. On the inhale, we'll lift the shoulders towards the ears. Exhale, roll them back and down, bringing some gravity to the shoulders. Doing that one more time. Inhale up towards the ears. Exhale, going back and down. Taking the time right now to let the breath do whatever it pleases, and to bring the attention inward to the body. Noticing where your body is touching the ground or the chair. And then noticing inward if you're holding any tension. Can raise the eyebrows and then lower them down to release some of that. Wiggling the jaw side to side can help. Even relaxing the tongue. Noticing if there's anywhere in your body that feels less still than the other places. We don't have to do anything about it. Just becoming aware, noticing, and keeping that curious mindset with it. Taking these moments of sitting in the stillness and sitting in the silence. Knowing that it's normal for thoughts to come up. but just noticing them, watching them, letting them float away like our bubble. Then starting to picture a moment from the last year that you were proud of what your body accomplished, or even just did for you. Maybe you're proud of the places it's taken you, or even the stressful moments that it has felt and come back from. Maybe it was a goal you set. Whatever it is, taking the time now to appreciate that moment and thank yourself for it. Being there with your body, feeling the gratitude, and if your mind starts to wander again, just bringing it back to those moments of appreciation. Even if you're just saying to yourself, "Thank you for being there for me." Or maybe even just thanking it for those deep breaths that you've given to yourself. Giving it one more of those right now, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Slowly, gently, giving yourself a hug if you'd like. And then opening the eyes back up. Thank you so much for joining me today and for showing up for yourself always. I wish you a lovely rest of your week, and I'll see you for the next workshop.